gold is coming back to this strong SNR zone that we have been talking for the past few weeks, right? So this one is a strong, behind there's a support over here. This one is a strong supply zone over here, okay? And then this one is a first rejections here, second rejections, and now what you can see is basically he break above this zone a little bit here, right? But then we could not actually really consider it breakout unless this one is basically a H4 time frame, okay? This is a H4 time frame unless the H4 candle, okay, H4, this particular H4 candle had to break and close above this particular zone, SNR zone here, okay? Only then we can actually have a stronger confirmation that this one breakout really happened, okay? So once breakout really happened, then we can actually foresee go have a pullback back to the zone, okay? If back to the zone, this is a another zone that we can actually monitor, which means this one is a new demand zone again, okay? Or below here there's another one demand zone over here, okay? So either they pull back over here before you can actually continue going up, okay, due to the breakup, or you can actually go lower back to the trend line, you can actually go up here, okay? And also before that also, so you look over here, just like Danny mentioned, right? Okay, so after the first rejection, second rejection, go actually have a pullback down all the way to here, okay? This one is a strong demand zone for due to this really based rally over here. That's go actually play around before you eventually tap into our zone, okay? Tap into our zone before you actually have a huge pump up over here, okay? Almost a one, we are running almost a 1000 pips here, okay? So, and also if you look over here, why this one is a very strong significant demand zone here? Why? Okay, first we have a demand zone in the H4 time frame, right? This is a rally based rally, right? First we have a demand zone over here, strong demand zone. Second, what do we have? We have this one, the strong trend line as well. This one is a first touch, right? This one is a second touch, and then go came all the way here, third touch over here, exactly third touch, okay? This one is a trend line. Thus it gives us a very strong confirmation that go actually have a huge pump up over here, okay? After the first, second here, okay, now actually coming to the third here, okay? So in order for go, okay, once go, if go really break out, if really breakout happen, just like what we mentioned earlier, okay, so the next zone that we can actually monitor is over here. Why here? Because this one is a next significant zone as well here. See, this one is a consolidation before the breakout happen. That's this one is a strong supply zone as well, and that's behind here we got a few multiple support over here, okay? So this one could be a next zone that we could actually monitor. All right, anyway, let's take a look after today market close. All right, so as usual, if you want to know more, join my Telegram channel DTA International Academy for more information and daily gold update. All right, so see you guys there.